Hey folks, today we are going to make a nutrient-rich breakfast smoothie. Since I don't currently have a Blendtec or a Vitamix high-speed blender, I will definitely be using my NutriBullet Rx since I will be including seeds in this recipe. I will link the NutriBullet Rx in the description box below. It's definitely been a great addition to my kitchen arsenal. Make note that what you put in the jar first will be what contacts the blades last, since this will be inverted once turned on. So I recommend adding leafy greens and seeds last. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. And be sure to check out the description box below for the full recipe.